Dumelang bonang ke busy ka DJ Coach Foundation ke nyaka tshela 1 meter ka mogare ke tola hlalosetsa so video le bonago ke a le gopotsa gore ke thomba 100 rand ke la gopola ke postile part 1 100 rand ke la setsa ka 16 block well no ke today this was today right before NFP ka 11 ka through well ye re go itjare la hlela ga 100 and something and tshwara re bula first order mola second order mola third order mola gore re a bula after reduce a lot size to 0.10 target are na ke bo ma 50 block are ga dia 50 block on this trade ratho 50 block ratwa langusha areng why you will papa why it's moving in our favor remember how 5 6 7 8 12 11 wangusha so zake go idia mo I ga fitla 1 meter ke tshela foundation ke go donate and giving back to my people wangusha ape ke na 10 years ke le ka mo gaming ena ke thomile ka 100 rand la mpona ke obvious re berekisha FBK global market la tsela ke family brokering ke ada more orders you are gore ke gone reach 50,000 ka pela mara if it rejects and goes against me or a child ya ka ga mo ayale ya le nna papa na ke MLG NFP ara bulome ga mo 57 65 a wa tseba ke 50,000 le rena re godiji a ona need re be greedy a ona need re tsole pele re a tswalela ra analyzer check market gore tlo kae ke scalping up ke di scalping se sengwe se risk man don't try this at home bana baka this guy is amaka gae obvious a re berekisha FBK global market le a bona ya grale na ba le tompucha gore ke berekisha le a bona ra bola gape ya lot size 10 ke nya go faka tse 2 why because go khono reach 100 and something fast langusha second order le ona itseni ke lot size 20 I can no reject the 5 pips against the night over mara ke a tsebo ra ga dilo retracement a go dilo tsa ka mana ke specialize ka day why you are ra blomela ga ma 15,000 why you are bonang why you are 18 21 24 why you are Evan re berekisha global like bona le I'm coming for synthetics I'm coming it's I'm still learning a thing or two about them so I need help can la bona ke fele goal nyaka should I withdraw or should I take it to a million for the foundation that's not in the comment section